Hey guys, welcome. My name is Jessica, and in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my first floor bathroom. It was a little dirty. I needed to get some dust and just a lot of buildup off the tub and clean the mirror, clean the sink, clean the toilet. It just was really nasty and really disgusting. I haven't deep cleaned in there in a while, but I was hoping to get it out on a video for you guys can enjoy, and hopefully it'll give you some motivation. And I hope that this voiceover isn't too noisy. It's my first time. Please bear with me. I'm nervous, and disregard any background noises that you may hear. I just wanted to say really quickly that I'm basically a stay-at-home mom now due to the pandemic. Before I was a full-time working mom, I had unexpectedly found out I was pregnant with my fourth child, and it was really hard for me because I hadn't had a child for 10 years. My daughter was 10 when I was pregnant, and it was an emotional roller coaster, especially with the pandemic. So I found out I was having a baby boy. I have 3 girls already, and once I had him, it was very difficult for me to get back into the swing of things. I couldn't clean. I had no motivation, and I was going through postpartum depression. It was so hard for me. My husband went back to work full time, and we've decided collectively for me to stay home and just, take care of my son and have him work so that things would be easier on the both of us. So with that being said, I just wanted to let you know a little bit about myself. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I'll try to answer anything that I can. So yeah, let's just get into this video and hope you enjoy it, guys. Thanks.